Welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Guides. Welcome to our video on side hustle ideas, 7 creative ways to make extra money. If you're looking for ways to earn some extra cash on the side, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing some unique and creative ideas for side hustles that can help you bring in some extra income. Whether you're looking for something to do in your spare time, or you're looking for a way to supplement your main income, these ideas are sure to inspire you. 1. Online tutoring. One of the best ways to make extra money on the side is to become an online tutor. With the rise of online learning, there is a huge demand for tutors who can help students with their studies. You can offer your services on platforms like TutorMe or Schooly, or you can create your own website and market your services directly to students. This is a great way to make money while doing something you're passionate about. Plus, you can offer your tutoring services in a variety of subjects from math, science, languages, and even test preparation. 2. Virtual event planning. Another great way to make money on the side is by becoming a virtual event planner. With more and more events moving online, there is a growing need for people who can help plan and organize virtual events. You can offer your services to businesses, organizations, and individuals who are looking to plan virtual conferences, webinars, and other events. This can be a great way to use your creative skills and make some extra money. Plus, you can offer your services for all types of events, from weddings, corporate events, and even birthday parties. 3. Graphic design. If you have a talent for graphic design, you can use it to make money on the side. There are many freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr where you can offer your services as a graphic designer. You can create logos, design websites, and create social media graphics for businesses and individuals. This is a great way to use your design skills and make some extra money. Plus, you can offer your services in a variety of areas such as branding, packaging, and even illustrations. 4. Content creation. Another great way to make money on the side is by creating content. You can start a YouTube channel, create a podcast, or write a blog. You can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. With the right audience and content, you can build a following and make money through your content creation. Plus, you can create content on a variety of topics such as cooking, travel, and even personal development. 5. Online selling. If you're looking for a more hands-on side hustle, you can try online selling. You can sell products on platforms like Amazon and Etsy, or you can start your own online store. You can sell products you've created, or you can resell items you've purchased. This is a great way to make money while also doing something you enjoy. Plus, you can sell a variety of products, from handmade crafts, vintage items, and even digital products. 6. Pet sitting. Another great way to make money on the side is by pet sitting. You can offer your services to people who are going on vacation or who are away for the day. You can take care of pets in your own home, or you can go to the pet owner's home to take care of their pet. This is a great way to make money while also doing something you love. Plus, you can offer your services for all types of pets, from dogs and cats to birds and even exotic pets. Plus, you can offer additional services such as dog walking, feeding, and grooming. 7. Home cleaning. Finally, you can make money on the side by offering home cleaning services. You can offer your services to people who are too busy to clean their own homes, or you can offer your services to businesses that need their office cleaned. This is a great way to make money while also doing something you enjoy. Plus, you can offer your services for different types of cleaning, from regular cleaning to deep cleaning and even organizing services. As you can see, there are many creative ways to make extra money on the side. You can choose a side hustle that aligns with your passions and skills, whether it is teaching, planning, designing, creating content, selling, pet sitting, or cleaning. These ideas are just a starting point. There are countless other opportunities out there. Remember that the key to success with a side hustle is to find something you enjoy and are good at, and to be consistent and persistent in your efforts. We hope you found this video helpful and we wish you all the best in your side hustle journey. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe for more amazing content.